Okay, so I haven't seen y'all in a while, and I've come with a new Xbox account. But to say the least, I've done quite a bit of work on this particular Minecraft world. It's not too complex for me. For someone who doesn't know how redstone works, they might be a bit confused as to how the heck any of this functions, or why, but I've been at work designing this for about a month before finally working up the courage to go into Minecraft and, well, build it. And now that I have, it works like a charm. First, I need to explain exactly how the UI graphics, the user interface works. With all these switches and stuff, that's the user interface. But, yeah, no, I have to explain how that works, and I'm gonna do that in a second. So, you see those 1, 2, and 3? Yeah. Each of those is a number for the digit. 1's place is 1, 10's place is 2, 100's place is 3, and you can't actually add numbers to the 1000th place for reasoning of not overloading the computer for it. Yeah, because I mean, I don't want to overload the calculator, if you know what I mean, but to say the least, yeah. So I have 4 digits. It can hit 1,999 before actually overloading. I mean, it can handle 1,999. You actually can't hit that number simply doing the math. It doesn't allow you to because of the way you can add numbers. As in, like, you can't add 999 plus 999 and get, you know. So I'm gonna quickly jump in and flick all these, see what I do get, though. See? 1,998. I just flicked the highest number in each digit for addition, and it only got 1,998. So the next explanation is the digits, right? So here's how this functions. I'm gonna grab yellow and blue, and then we're gonna do this. So imagine each of these squares, okay, is a place on the, okay, look at this. Alright, I'm gonna grab a sign, place it down, and start writing numbers. Say 723, and then we'll do this. Wait, no, we need to go back. And then do, say, 184. And obviously we should add a plus sign just for the fact that that's what this is. And then we add this, and then our output, right? That's how a normal math addition equation works. But the thing is, I'm gonna have digits to displays to display that, but as that takes a little bit too much time for my liking at the moment, I'm not gonna do that right now. So instead, I've gone in and essentially, okay, imagine these yellow ones as the 184, and these blue ones as the 100, or not 100, sorry, 723, okay? And obviously these are the digit counters, so each one is a different digit over. These ones being the hundredths, these ones being the tenths, and these ones being the ones. So naturally, because I don't have displays set up in the right way, I have to go in and do it manually. You'll have to figure it out in your brain, visualize it, right? But to say the least, it's a good enough strategy, considering I don't have, like I said, displays. Now the next bit of explanation I need to put in is it goes from 0 all the way to 9. So this would be 9 plus 8. And that obviously should get 17, right? But, so now we're going to do that little number just to demonstrate that it should work. Also, hello, Riley. 723. Okay, so we first do 723, so we're doing the purple, or blue one. Sorry, slight colorblind issues. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I believe. Yep. So 723. So that's 7. Let's watch that appear. Yep. See? And then we want to add 2 and 3. What was the other number? I know what it is, but I gotta show y'all. 184. Right? So we've got 723 on the screen now, but as soon as we add 1, 8, 4, it adds up those two numbers, and it's doing the calculations. Oh, right, it's finished. And just to prove that this is correct, hey Siri, what's 723 plus 184?
723 plus 184 is 907.
Okay, I realize that sounds like a text-to-speech or something, so I've actually got to go in and quickly change that, because I don't want to sound like I'm feeding it. I don't want to have to make you guys waste your time to go in and, you know, look it up yourselves. I mean, if you can, if you want to prove that I'm doing it right, then go right ahead. I personally do not mind, but I don't want you to have to put you through that effort. So, oh crap. Okay, I'm not going to be able to do that right now. I don't got enough time. You've been watching Bill Nye? Since when did he start explaining electronics? Doesn't matter. Also, I just realized I forgot to place those two in. Okay. So yeah. Also, you may or may not notice a couple structure blocks, but that's because I was able to use structure blocks to build this faster. And these were just a way to explain to myself what I was doing in certain parts of the machine. You know, for each digit, there's because it looks like this pink and blue part seems to repeat, I had to split it up somehow. So I used copper blocks to explain to myself that, hey, each of these two lines is a digit. I know you do, Riley, but anyone, say, new to my channel, which isn't likely anyways, may not believe me, I don't know. But, I want to okay, Riley, give me a random two numbers that can range up to 999 each to add together. And while you're thinking of that, Riley, I will mention the calculator will at some point be able to do subtraction, but at the moment I cannot put that into this because I don't even know exactly how I would make subtraction work, if I'm being entirely honest. I will at some point, like I said, but not yet. Also, as soon as Riley gives me a good number, I'll go through and explain what each part's supposed to do on a basic level. This is my second calculator, just a fun little fact. I practically jumped up in scale immediately after building my first calculator. 372 plus 108. Okay. Let's see. Let me quickly clear all these, because I've got to do that to add the new numbers in. You know what? I'll add RS NOR latches soon, but not right now. Okay, so 372. We'll do 3, 6, 7, 2 plus 1. Oh wait, no, wrong one. 1 0 8. Yep, there we go. Okay. Let me check that that's correct. Really, Riley? Yeah. Okay, let's see.
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch.
What's 372 plus 108?
It's 480.
Yeah, man. Alright. I'm actually going to do a little bit of an Easter egg, okay? And this is going to be awesome to finally see. Okay. So I need to quickly do some quick math. Okay, we're going to do 317 instead of 372. No, wait, no, 312. Yeah, there we go. Get rid of that. Okay. Here we go. Wait, what's it doing? Why did it do that? Uh-oh. I found an error. I found an error. Ooh, my machine's acting up. Ooh. Okay. So this actually gives me a chance to quickly go through, and I guess y'all will see some level of a montage. Figure out where this error is. Okay. So right now it's got nothing else in this digit. Why has it got nothing else in this digit? It's a bit. Oh yeah, because 0 is the one that's selected, the only other one that's selected, and it obviously doesn't power anything. Okay. So right now we should have at the moment, anyways, we should have, yep, 2 plus 8, which equals 10, meaning it would jump over to the tens place by 1. So now we need to go figure out exactly what math is being done incorrectly. At the moment, 0 is correct, so we're good on that front. So I'm going to go up here and quickly look at this. You guys obviously won't be able to understand just about half of this, but I personally do, because I designed it. And it works, so naturally I should be the one to understand it. Okay. So for some reason, it's got these two powered, when it shouldn't. Because that's powered, when it shouldn't be powered. So I'm going to quickly go over here, figure this part out. Huh. Okay. That's supposed to only activate when all 8 of these are active because of the... Okay, so let's see. Is that putting correctly? It should be. Okay, so it's just entirely coincidental that that works like that. I gotta do something about it. So I'm thinking maybe if I do... Yep, I think I got a solution. Okay. So I bring this down here. This is the first bug I've encountered in the entire machine. So hey, this is nice. Okay, so we'll bring this down here, and do this, and do this. And then... Okay. Let's figure something out here. Exactly how am I gonna do that? I could... Yeah, no, I could do that. Okay. We'll do this. And bring this along. Not this. What am I doing? There we go. Yep, that's correct. So yeah, I'm gonna encounter bugs over time. And because this is my first calculator that's actually more than 15 at max, there's going to be a lot of bugs that I won't be able to discover unless I, by pure chance, do the math required to discover them. So naturally, you can expect a lot of update videos where I fix particularly annoying bugs. Or just, rather, just bugs in general, because any bug needs to be fixed at some point, doesn't it? It's only logical. Riley, the beautiful, beautiful Rhyfox. Quite the strange species, but still very, 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 very valuable. Aha, get embarrassed in chat, Riley. Like a ladybug? Okay, here we go. Very quickly move this over here. Oh wait, I forgot. Yep, nope, no, that's supposed to be active at all times. Until, you know, one of those powers it. Because logic, I guess. Now we go in here. What we'll do is we'll activate... let's see, how exactly would I activate that? Safely. Oh, right, I guess it makes total sense. To me, anyways. So what we do is we go in and throw this in, do the carry bit. That's not being used whatsoever. And now, in theory, this should say 420. Hey, Papa! Ah, he's not coming. You wanna come see the calculator? So do you want to see the calculator?
You done?
It's addition, it can hit 1,999, at least it can handle 1,999 on the display in ALU. But you can't get it simply by adding. First, I need to explain how it works because I don't have displays for what you're adding together. Because I don't have the time. So, imagine we add 123, or 723, plus 184, and you see this little thing right here that pretty much everyone does.
Right.
Where they have the bigger number on the top and the other big number on the bottom. Rather than horizontal, it's vertical. So that's what you're supposed to imagine it as. Now, one of these lines, this is the 1 digits, this symbolizes the 1 digits, and then 2 of these, 10 digits, 3 of these, the hundreds digits, right? Now, each yellow one is in the bottom row, so these are all the bottom row, obviously. And the blue one, also the top row. So give me 2 big numbers to add together. They can range all the way up to 999 if you so please.
327.
Okay, so let me put that in real quick. And quickly. So 3, 2, 7. Okay. I just fixed a bug, so if it has another bug, I'm gonna be surprised.
432.
432, okay. I think I put that in right. Wait, nope. Yep, no, I put it in right, okay. So that's 758, or 759. So what was the numbers? Okay, did you choose those numbers randomly?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. 327. You chose 327, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What's 327 plus 432?
It's 759.
That gets it right. These are liquid crystal displays. It wasn't readily obvious. And it works.
Yeah.
Addition calculator entirely powered like a computer. It took me 2 days. I can't believe I finally did something that I've been wanting to do for, I want to say, years, Riley. I mean, I look at those videos with simple calculators that can hit, say, 100, and I'm like, oh my god, that's so impressive! Now I can say I've designed a calculator that can hit 1,999 and even be infinitely expand if you so choose. I can't believe I finally did something I've always wanted, and I did it on a level 5 times as much as I wanted. I mean, think about it. My first calculator can only hit 15. My second calculator can hit 1,999. How crazy is that? Then again, I did use my first calculator's strategy, which was infinitely expandable if I did it right. So I suppose it wasn't too hard to make this. Not for me, anyways. Alright, so what do you think of this? Personally, I think it's pretty slow compared to what it could be. But with how many bug protection and custom measures... See, when I was designing it, I accidentally forgot a certain bit in the subtraction unit. So that meant that 16, 17, and 18 could not be displayed properly or added properly. So that meant that I had to go in and individually make strategies for the machine to put the right output. And then that's why most of this is so big. A lot of this stuff wouldn't be required if I'd added that extra bit over here. And by bit, you do know what I mean, right? The extra 1 or 0. But yeah. This is my skill and is only seeming to grow in such a skill. I can't believe I did this. I mean, honestly, can you? I mean, I did it, so I guess I can technically believe it, but you know what I mean? I have made a dream of mine come true. Wow, this is crazy. Right, well, I'm gonna get off the stream now, Riley. I'll invite you to a party if you're on Xbox. But I'm gonna have to leave the party within like 30 minutes if you join. Yeah, you are really good at building. I gotta give you that much. Riley, did you know I stayed up until like 1 o'clock in the morning yesterday just working on this? I was making the ALU functionality. Yeah, well. Okay. I'm gonna get off the stream now, so I'll see you and everyone else who ever watches this tomorrow or later. I don't know exactly, because how could I know? Time will tell. Also, in case you're wondering what that is, that was a failed project at an elevator. The flying machine works fine, I just accidentally fucked up the logic. So. Alright, see you, Riley. Don't forget I love you.